Terry Manor is a 170-unit, 3-story building adjacent to the USC campus. It hadn't gone through a renovation in quite some time. What we have done here is touch every aspect of the building.
We purchased the property in 2024 and completed a renovation here focused on resident comfort, safety, and dignity.
The common areas have gotten a complete upgrade, from that front lobby to the common areas, to the common corridors, and each one of the amenity spaces. We've offered fitness centers, outdoor amenities that had never really been offered before. It is also a very green and lush property. The residents also had all their apartments completely redone.
I love it here. Love the upgrades, I love the people.
I live in Terry Manor since 2018. The atmosphere is good and I really love it.
Rainbow Housing is a nonprofit organization that we've partnered with at dozens of communities throughout America to bring resident services to thousands of households. We've partnered with Rainbow here at Terry Manor to bring a multitude of services to all the residents here at this community.
When we first initiated services here at the community, much of that is surveys, finding out from the residents what they need, what they want, what their goals are. Here at Terry Manor, we're focused on health and nutrition, as well as language.
The art program winds up being the enhancement or that finishing touch that so many of our projects had lacked before.
미술관에 온 것 같아요. 미술관에. 그리고 주변에서도 우리 아파트에 너무너무 좋은 아파트라고, 캘리포니아 탑 아파트라고 그래.
Everything's changed and it looks brand new. I feel like my own home.